did you? Anything you want.
Ripple, XRP, is successfully freeing its arm from Bitcoin. Here is why. Like most of the virtual coins and altcoins, Ripple has been recording slight price losses throughout the last 7 days. Although putting a spirited run, Ripple's prices failed to break the resistance level of $0.47 throughout the week, leading to its prices falling and revolving around $0.46 and $0.45. Currently, XRP USD is testing the 23% fib level support taken between the highs and lows of $0.52 and $0.42 support levels respectively. During the price depreciation, the price value broke below a connecting price surge line with support at $0.46 on the hourly chart of the Ripple US dollar pair. The XRP USD pair settled below about the 46-cent support mark and the 100 hourly simple moving average. Regarding the fib retracement level, the pair settled at 61.8% from the $0.4375 low to the high of $0.47. However, the $0.45 support level acted as a barricade for traders, especially sellers. At present, Ripple's value is exchanging in a small range near the 0.45 price level, an increment from the previous support level of about $0.452. Over the years, Ripple has partnered and signed deals with influential financial players in the market, gaining global recognition and appreciation for its growth. At present, Ripple has over 100 financial institutions and settlement providers on its portfolio of partners. Many other institutions and firms continue to show interest in adopting Ripple's XRP unique blockchain technology and solutions, thus positioning the digital coin on the advantageous ground. However, according to research and market analysis, the price value of Ripple XRP does not reflect the growth and adoption that the virtual currency currently enjoys. The challenge has always been Bitcoin's BTC influence in the cryptocurrency markets that Ripple is a member. For instance, Ripple's XRP major exchanges are usually carried out by Bitcoin, which unfortunately depreciates the value of XRP, in spite of having great and promising broadcasts ever since it started partnering with other major financial players in the financial industry. According to the words of Ripple XRP founder and CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, while speaking to CNBC, there is a very high correlation between the price value of Ripple XRP and Bitcoin, even though these two virtual currencies are independent and open-sourced blockchain technologies. However, this connection between Ripple and Bitcoin is going to cease. Bitcoin pairing is gradually falling, with exchange listings gradually changing their ways of crypto trading, leaning more towards altcoin fiat pairing. As this emerging trend continues to gain momentum, more and more exchanges are following these footsteps, creating a major blow to Bitcoin's dominance as the cryptocurrency of choice for crypto-to-crypto pairing. On the other hand, the future looks uncertain for Bitcoin following one of the leading digital currency exchanges, Bittrex, revealing that it is focused on the introduction of fiat crypto pairing, issuing a problematic situation for the #1 cryptocurrency in the world. Bittrex is a major player and link in the cryptocurrency sphere, as it has a wide customer base of over 3 million globally, with a big percentage coming from the US, who are the largest beneficiaries of this progress at the moment. The news of Ripple XRP disconnecting itself from Bitcoin is not the new one. This has been in the pipeline for a while, but present SBI holding activities have propelled this divorce. SBI Holdings intends to launch its very own virtual currency trading network that is going to incorporate Tripoli's the only virtual currency on the platform's website. Ripple XRP, breaking free from Bitcoin, BTC. Finally, when it comes to signing and closing partnerships with influential financial players, no other cryptocurrency comes closer to Ripple, XRP, not even Bitcoin. Lauded for its constant quest for adoption, Ripple, at the moment, has over 100 payment providers and financial institutions on its list of partners. Interestingly, this list is expected to further increase in size with more partnerships being sought and other companies showing interest in adopting Ripple's various blockchain solutions. However, many analysts continue pointing out the issue of the price value of XRP not reflecting the growth and adoption Ripple is currently enjoying. The challenge has always been that Bitcoin, BTC, has always been influencing Ripple's value. Bitcoin carries out a large percentage of all Ripple trading. What this means is that the price of XRP has kept depreciating, in spite of having great runs of optimistic broadcasts since early this year. It is this situation that forced a comment from Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO and founder. In a recent interview given to CNBC, he stated that, "There is a very high correlation between the price of XRP and the price of Bitcoin, but ultimately these are independent open-source technologies. Nevertheless, this connection is about to come to an end." How, you might ask? Well, exchange listings are gradually changing, suggesting a drop in Bitcoin pairings as cryptocurrency exchanges continue leaning towards altcoin fiat pairings. As more and more exchanges continue following this trend, Bitcoin's dominance as the preferred cryptocurrency to cryptocurrency pairing will suffer a big blow. This trend is already catching steam, and things are starting to look shaky for Bitcoin. For instance, Bittrex, one of the leading virtual currency exchanges, recently divulged that they are focusing on introducing fiat cryptocurrency pairings. Bittrex has an impressive client base of over 3 million users globally, with the US accounting for a majority of them who will stand to benefit from this development. Binance, another top cryptocurrency exchange, is also seriously considering taking a similar path. Recently, Binance made public that they will be soon rolling out XRP, BNB coin, meaning Ripple, Binance Coin. The exchange has the XRP, USDT pairing in action, already. Ripple, XRP, disconnecting from Bitcoin, BTC. News of Ripple decoupling from Bitcoin isn't a recent thing. Ripple for a long time has been talking about its decoupling from Bitcoin, but currently, XRP is being encouraged by the activities going on at SPI Holdings. At the moment, SPI Holdings is working to roll out its virtual currency trading platform, and Ripple is the only cryptocurrency listed on the network's website. Ripple, XRP, versus Stellar, XLM, and Litecoin, LTC. If Ripple, XRP, is the Clark Kent, the fictional identity of Superman, of cryptocurrencies, Stellar Lumen, XLM, is its antagonist, Lex Luthor, with XLM claiming that Ripple is still hanging on to approximately 60% of the initially issued XRP tokens. If you take a look at Ripple, XRP, and come to the conclusion that it is similar to Stellar Lumen's XLM, you would be right. The same person, Jed McCaleb, found both virtual currencies, and appear to be somewhat similar regarding technical functionalities and specifications. Both function with the aim of providing payment processing solutions with traditional assets. Ripple versus Stellar. But if you take a closer look at them, you will find out that the two cryptocurrencies are more different than similar. Stellar Lumen is an open-source virtual currency that aims to provide a platform for making settlements via blockchain technology utilizing the Federated Byzantine Agreement algorithm, or FBA, that allows it to clock transaction speeds of up to 1000 TX/s. On the other hand, Ripple differs slightly with Stellar as its platform is not open-sourced, while it uses a different approach to reach consensus. Ripple uses the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm, or RPCA, as its proof of correctness mechanism. The RPCA algorithm can clock transaction speeds of up to 1500 TX/s, flooring down Stellar easily. From the look of things, it seems that whoever onboards the largest and most sought-after brand has the edge over the other. If this statement is anything to go by, Ripple takes the leading position very early. It is true that both virtual currencies aim to assist banks and financial institutions make international transactions. Although sharing a common goal, the two have different target clients. Ripple, XRP, targets multinational payment providers as well as banks that are international. As a result, Ripple has sought and signed partnerships with several financial institutions in Japan and international money transfer providers like MoneyGram, Western Union, and Fleetcor. XLM's primary target is the emerging markets, wanting to facilitate international money transfer mostly for the unbanked, IBM being one of their main partners. IBM facilitates their project in some countries in the Oceania region. I believe Ripple, XRP, has managed to bug the support of its community and is more likely to perform better in the long run compared to Stellar Lumen, XLM. Ripple versus Litecoin, LTC. The two digital coins are fierce competitors, with Litecoin coming at 5th position in the market while Ripple is number 3. Some people are of the opinion that Ripple, which is nearly 1 year old, is the currency which is going to dominate cross-border transactions due to its tools' efficiency and proficiency. Others claim Litecoin is better than Ripple as it is not only centered on a particular purpose, rather it can be used for paying various day-to-day goods and services. All three cryptos, Ripple, Stellar and Litecoin, possess the potential of breaking into the mainstream ones. Each of the currency has a passionate leader behind it. Ripple holds Brad Garlinghouse, Stellar Jed McCaleb, and Charlie Lee leads Litecoin. All three are charismatic leaders. But, going by the partnerships, demand, and market figures, it looks Ripple takes the day as things stand right now. No one should be surprised to see Ripple, XRP, succeeding in mass adoption ahead of the competition.